Earlier in the course, when working with lists and maps, you might remember how we define the type of the items inside the list using a generic type inside of the angle brackets. A generic is basically a way to pass a type as a parameter. A list is like a box or container that can hold many different types of things. A generic type provides a way to strongly type the things inside of that container. Let's go ahead and write our own implementation by creating a box class. When defining the class, notice how I'm using angle brackets with a capital T inside. In this case, T represents a variable type that can be anything passed in by the end user when instantiating the class. This allows me to then use T inside of the class definition. There might be a variable of value that has a type of T currently, but T will be replaced with the actual type like an int or string when the object is actually instantiated. And we could also use T in other places like the return value from a method. When it comes to Flutter, generics are not something that you're likely to implement on a regular basis. However, you will use them on a regular basis when creating objects, so it's a good idea to understand how they work.